Yo, it's your boy Ras Nene. Keep watching First to Watch TV. I want to open your name, Papa. Open your news. Masa, subscribe, share.
Because it normally be hammy. Ghana hano subina ye dene dia na seb. And normal ye Ghana hano are very serious. And if case not take masa, or chebi what the wa. Tisa anka mi wa hano meti kromu hayi. Anka meti kromu hayi mebusuafo egu tapradin. Asam to mi wa ha. Ansa na mebusuafo be free obeba no se menye good Samaritan na anka mewu. Nti na sana me ka me pato. Mon share video no enriching crofo bi eme. Enoma bi a omode ye boy your friend saying. Kwakumenu no. Enoma bi a omode ye kwakumenu no. Is simply unfair. Me share live video bi enne. Ewo despite media. Me come obi at despite media. Say omo ye entertainment review ewa despite media ni ya kwatena ho na hoster where hosting entertainment program for years omo ti ho the Funny Face sisters abetena studio na omo edi kwakumenu chese omo guru kwakumenu ho masa me say nyoma na omo ye no munye careful krom ha. If you are claiming say kwakumenu did all that because of fame and money dear, why then did you also bring Funny Face sister to your studio? And then I would do a mobile studio. Until I make us say, me, very hard to say, in conforme whom social media say me yes such live videos because I don't talk. Who hear me? I don't talk me in person your mano. But unacceptable. And unacceptable. And I just say a total disrespect to the highest level in life. So what Kwakumenu did, you know, if you don't have anything to give Kwakumenu, just shut up. Ube kanwanu atum Kwakumenu ni waye no. When you shima Kwakumenu also kanwanu tum. But Ghana hano in some hunu nkwasi asamne yados too much. I need to be blunt this evening. Min shelen toma, min frana tadia kwa min yaneshi. I need to be blunt. What you say? Enkofo abre shadia kwakumenu aye nti bone pe ne kwakumenu aye wo ade wem me pacho mo amwo so mo nka me si ai bone pe ne kwakumenu aye e wo ade wem and always bia no ade ehu hia ene yeso so ena beef ene na enkroma dia ba no we are tired of you people always beef and it's true always beef because you see you know nya Peace FM entertainment review show ye na ewie we no ne ompese omo ya ne say ompese Funny Face ebusuafo no they have to start beefing Kwakumenu eno no ompese no omo ye sai nkruma no fiza wo no bi na ebifio eno memi nkruma enye me ne obi a na ebifio mbacho ukura mikro mudin me pacho ukuta mikro mudin akon nkruma mama nka ne fa ntene te ni ye me say akon nkruma John I remember them baby before Biala John. Temasama American ye. Miss there. Makwakumenu eye no. E dia boni na ewo ho. Se kwakumenu ase na daje atofu elegu ne kam etu ne car from Kumasi. Obi enim Kumasi road driving from Kumasi to Accra. Enye just 1 hour 30 minutes drive. Enye 30 minutes drive no 20 minutes drive. So the traffic or so it's more than 4 hours. It's more than 4 good hours. For basic, it's come on you be papa. For come hana yetino obi you be papa. Nya kwana ye no, there's a problem am one say or the cameras in so na or they are caught on YouTube. Me pa cho. Why pa no wo baby spray. Spray baby spray laughter. Why pa baby laughter we have we are. Me pa cho ni say sabi previous ni so be nunsium no fanfa na tadiem. What in America na say why pa no ye dmo baby yes spray. No be wia nsa no de be nunsium no fanfa na tadiem. Metiasie say Bibi wo hona senya. Kweku Menu is not above anybody in this country. Me nini share da me Kweku Menu kra no. Ne minima nse ma hwe no TV so. Me hunu wo social media. Me personally have not met Kweku Menu before. Me share da. But what I'm trying to say ne say me pacho wo. Say busuafo no ko kan say wo Peace FM platform. Na say Peace FM form ma platform no. And to the largest extent, you know, almost have fair Kweku Menu then to lie. So say busuafo no nyojo no, na host no nyojo Kweku Menu our live show so dia. Masama mi bisa ne say Kweku Menu aje wo ye ni nyina no, say ye scrutinize no, and na say ye chese ye hwehwe ni nsemu ade ade pa na Kweku Menu ye bone. E de ba dia. Because na minim say video kwa na omo ye no say like the yes papa no wo mi ko funny face apala so funny face lawyer into we should find a person say your voice is smarter than even the lawyer who appears in the video. Me pacho and then I make can say again wo ye wrong. What's it when I can say Amos Amponsa what he did is not good. Who did? Pacho wo Barbie specific ne yen baby. He Kweku Menu no okano. What Kweku Menu did is wrong. Is that what you are trying to tell me? And then wrong. Into the maybe sound me say then wrong. Is it the filming? Is it the videoing? Video no China na. And I make catch us Kweku Menu is not above anybody in this country. Into so a culture video. Not a video ni wrong guy. What for Kweku Menu phone so benyano? Kweku Menu ne funny face mudi. Omo ye namfufuo. Funny face Kweku Menu Lenwin and those guys. All your friends. You call him on video. What is here? Into a fan from the from Kumasi no wa. What need to take muno mudin komo or per se who say yes, this is what is going because say if Kweku Menu video and then no better now baby no cash on the day on Vanessa bike and you don't Korean nini and come on nyini manu fukwa mu bie manu akese na mo kasa jabi okrom ha. People talk without any facts. In Kofon cancer beton impasum and not that say no one that say now we are in a country where independence more than them are planning how to develop their country in the Ghana there. We are wasting our time discussing how to legalize gayism and lesbianism in this country. Baby, I Ghana you do no. So when say corona with him na yefo. So why when say corona with him na yefo?
They said for him putting the video on YouTube. Abena Sefa Eunice. Thank you, Abena. And none of me catcher will say video not the to YouTube in India. Me know we are dream. So o catcher me say video not the to YouTube no a wronger. Me know we are dream. But the video can be pulled down or deleted. Video no free Kweku Menu and say oh you nimpe ya wode na to way. Video na to way the pacho edit funny face Kweku Menu na say this star. O catcher no no nyanse so tsama wo kan take the video no. But you don't go on air on platform like Peace FM and be telling the whole world they say now ba hospital one city kura wenya. Who feel say we are some motivation will be here yesika. People don't need money motivation. Check me network ni mami. Oh so afri so. Enye adwa enye calm down asem. Adwa Ghana na ye one we need to speak or see ye can say my konkofo asum say sometimes what people are doing is bad and it is going to affect me and you. Me no yebusuafo ni ha no. Obi kwa no say it's not everyone who come on Facebook, so why is YouTube wrong? Obi square sama o kan no. Again an impanage to ho. The person is serving people to see fine. And na me kwa me ka say wo de YouTube ni de mo yebusuafo mo na mo de share no fine yet mo ase and na mo say mo mpe. But nothing stops you from calling Kweku Menu or getting Kweku Menu's number, telling him say Kweku Menu please pull down the video. We don't want people to see the current state of Yebushe, you know. Lavia. Laviasi Kweku Menu did a good job. No one even thought of doing that. Not even his close friends. Thank you very much. And I make us a host na or host to show na or master platform na. Yes, some free Kweku Menu 2 platform. So ye jojo no. Ni ye dinner tem. I was said in a soon say. Into war, as old as you are, more than Kweku Menu, you didn't even have a thought of even going to Kumasi, nor convincing the lady to bring the kids because of him funny face behind him say no funny face situation in Yesika. Funny face situation in Yesika sem. Ni yere no ene nkwala no. Ohia do love and enough funny face in here. And go for sempa two sana mono. Me say for do say two sana mono kuma. Na sanda put kuma no betina kika nse mu for no kan se mu say lo ya na kasta for Vanessa it lo ya money for kuma so ka e dey na nka Vanessa ba kra no kwa na munyim baby na Vanessa ne nam sa lawyer ne ma girl ni sika asa family ni ekemu sa lawyer ne ma Vanessa ni sika so mfa na akra ha dia ade na girl ni be du akra ha no na lawyer kwen to less from hospital and na mo ni ni Kweku Menu na lawyer ni family for na momo hi empa mo ban sa family for mu na mo koye na die because o yes pastor mo ye na sika ne beba mo be nya sika mo me social media me ma asada me meka sansem we da bada sam no matanse ehu say masa sometimes we ya papa na kowie boni my papa my ne be boni choka ne time ne kan se mu masa ya o Kweku Menu ade Kweku Menu aye no. These are the kind of friends that sometimes would do abraboma you need. Would do life would do. These are the kind of friends you need in your life. Some young bro, young these are the kind of friends you need. Because I got funny face to are going to me and for obey to me next year. No, by me in Fuba. Microphone. So these are the kind of friends. These are the kind of friends enkofo muntumi moa enkofo munimwa papa bia de boawo enkofo muntumi nya ohwe abrabom no omo na asemba they just rise up and talk trash na asembia omo ka ebusuafo you tell you ebusuafo ben na make no say funny face no say na obewu a say funny face say asem say na obewu anka necessary so mo firi Kumasi anka medu kuma na wewu o asem na ye kan muntie ni yi. But here won't conform mutikrum ha. They got closer to Funny Face, trying so many Funny Face Bekasa to calm him down and also to motivate him. Say, I dear Funny Face, you know, na yesika sem. But I ne yere no ene ne man because Funny Face pege pa. Funny Face pege pa. I say Funny Face should know his friends after this, and he should lay low after this. Even Mona Hoy said on the show that that's all Funny Face needed. Exactly. He needed love. Saturday no. Okay, was shown so. Say Funny Face needed love. And ya inti no nam komu a wo ye yes anyoma na wo ye ni ade no. Mutiana ya kansem same family ya ba kansem sem hunu woti wana o kansem hunu na we kan ya so na den den e dey family no obi anim so ofie busiem obi an so oti asase su bi afie busiem obi oti asase su bi ani fie busiem. But massa, let me tell you the gospel truth. The truth of the matter is sometimes na damfo chonuya and awunim sa damfo bi chonuya na ya kandada de na de wonte da wonte se say damfo bi chonuya wonte se say damfo bi chonuya na ayifo ne de me se me nka hwe nkyere omo because I'm also an industry member. Me wo media ni mtime nka hwe sa ayifo no despite media for me se me nka hwe nkyere omo. Because the same despite media, ya na OKFM iwo. OKFM hoya na Vanessa. Kwekume no ankobi ana. Sade no kobi o. Sade ni interview no. Vanessa ne maame ene nkura no. Sa OKFM ya na Vanessa ne maame kwotena so ko grant interview kama. Ekasa yie e wo sa show ne so. The same despite media ya na omu Peace FM akofo funny face sister aba. Na Vanessa ne maame no mfu kuma so omu tu besu ha omu tu bai enye kwekuma enu kroya no de ne car fa omu ebu fuel di gu mu drive omu de bai ma OKFM fo nya omu ya omu interview no the same despite ya and a Peace FM for akofa funny face sisters abetna ho says the same person who did that job for them to trend omu tinya numbers on that show no the same kwofo ya nso and almost spoiling the hands that built the house. Ensa esi dino, ensa esi sa dino, ensa esi sa dino. The same ensa esi sa dino. And then you about to shed sa in your phone. Also, we can't always answer no, and worry in sano, and worry in sano. We are sending in pump pese be cano correct. Nimpa mpene kuretie ntina me catch us Ghana no si se level na yedu na ya na yam ya Ghana level na yedu no eyam ya se nimpa mpene kure etie yesi ebusua pade but ebusua wo ho pade nso ye den wo chirika ebusua pade chirika ebusua wo pade chirika na se mu claim se funny face ni wonya court issue a wonya court issue a who is funny face sister to come and radio to apologize. Court issue apologize for radio so. Who tell you? Anka UTV, show fans United Showbiz na business anka Bulldog nya issue no anka when anka patch o my try. Anka Bulldog nya issue no anka be patch o United Showbiz because United Showbiz you know arguably is one of the biggest entertainment shows in the country. Anka be patch o so Bulldog e de ho acha no. But mo fra Bulldog let me miss and say what happened? You didn't frame your children in your more safer. There were certain quarters and certain answers that you need to give. And your radio so don't come on radio talk as if say your small say be go be anymore say. What you say? Sanyo mana ekosoro we need to stop. Or see you put your stop to it full stop. Or see this stamp is so sansem hu na ekosoro or see you jai. I say funny face should also appreciate Kweku from today because yano for no oh my. And ten na makam wasam da chire say Mrs. Sa video ni sa won hwe ya kwahwe Kweku menu interview no dey to YouTube no and go and see how happy funny face was. Tamu hu Vanessa ene ne mba no kwhwe sanya na funny face ani age edu level bi kura obunkotodwe no so nase no maame na owo akola ma funny face na wonya no ne dae na wawo ntafo e de ama no oso ne nan no pa na chewo ni na ehwan na kofa sa de we bai na ne odi ahwede ba afie no enye ono na odi wanse na bai ne odi ahwede ne bai no enye ono na odi wanse na bai. Ungrateful. But motiwo na ukwesi abuaje as intelligent as you are, as old as you are, or as old as you are. Who shepherd in the level of entertainment industry you always want to create confusion. Say trend, then trend, now more come and a trend. And just simply because say Kwekume no de Vanessa ne ma me ba krom ha no. Wan ko despite media first. Him for no call first. Just one quote despite media first, Uncle granting interview. Into no, I did a papa. That is the answer. Say, Obama or Vanessa. Any funny face, I say, the first wasn't a despite media own station. No, a different platform. That is Angel. In the you need to be discredited. Or say discredited when your papa. And your papa. And no na make us say. Shows here ye wo hey. Shows here omo ye despite media. Shows omo ye. How many times and a show here across United Showbiz share nkofo prominent people omo passing through the show with the able host Nanama McBrown. How intelligent and wise or yeah, send the watch industry nimum or yeah mentor Edema and Maya be bromosi sunim koniba. Send your show no crazy no. Show yeah way. Beef ben and kreti wokoma. Confusion ben in United Showbiz and kreti wokoma. Now when the same show yana guru ne Kwame Eugene. Sisi asemi ayatretanye ye twum ya kaka entrade. Monaguchi die and the same show. And the Monaguchi ni efie. But yengu show no, because we love the people around the show. The host especially. It is sometimes say a man who wanna call biwa. Don't discredit the person. Man can say nye. Sana muye mwakoya no mo say akoya de ma Adebayo. Amwa na muti boy mudi na sesa and why say and now I say amuye ya ma Adebayo bufu ye. Mo say ye ya chese. Na Ghana ne de chese wo kwosoro mo mpe. I should stop moving and shaking. Me ka say me move am ntumi o because some na vibrate me. Minia in somehow I say it's the media that is causing confusion and hatred in these so-called celebrities instead of making peace. Exactly. Mene we are doing. Esinam. I agree with you perfectly. Say, the same media platforms, see. The same media platforms. But you face reality. Say kwekume no etumi etu sana mo no a. Ye yinano ye prese enyoma betumi akoye edi amaye. Na bibi etumi aye fine. The bottom line or the final conclusion of what Kwekume no did, you know, ade ye pese ye nya wo ma ye den. Ye pese ye nya wo ma say Funny Face will be himself again. Funny Face will gain his happiness again. Funny Face will be the Funny Face. Renew. Anye no anu. What you say? A Funny Face Korea no kwachere or the Adebayo kwachere Ghana for we. Funny Face no first no Ghana way. You see a Funny Face ya a Funny Face ya no remu ebre ya ma de Adebayo Ghana for be hu Adebayo ne sanman. And the same profound started say creating confusion. And Adebayo yes, and never can remember. Yes, and never catch and say cars if you uncle you back into hey and the Funny Face cost the MP. Mr. McCrady, ya more cars and more beer mechabusia, some crunch, and Mr. Busia, some Nayam and Pemetier. The bloggers are also part of the beef. They always blog the bats. Na cry watch them once. I will make sure some show ye because some kwasi asem no say wo ma me abusua no papa abusua me free man ka me church me hunsem hunu. Say no na ofu say be ma osika. Just continue to do what you want to do and enjoy your life. Because once you abusua for you can also write stories about yourself. Once you try hunsem fun because some fun course our life so once you try be now also purpose can as mano. It's very bad. Why do we live in a country whereby people believe in negative news? Why? Aden na nimpa chese e wiase na ye wo no people believe in the negative vibe nimpa mpe no kure nimpa mpe ha Mrs. se ba ye ne ka se o funny face call ye sabi mpredie sama no da sumu na so da ye wantumi ans hey e kuro mu a chat na to amebi mu afa na showa a share table as a crano. After the bounce host na kwa tuntum adani afani face you want to go hu ni da. But the good thing Kweku Menu has done, even the family members want to discredit what Kweku Menu has done. Wow. And the same industry yano funny face in your ya fine, funny face in your money did funny face in your mother sorry. Together with Kweku Menu, the same industry want to bring those boys down. Ghana hane sell out. Brother, ujina so na wo hwe me hwe ho yie. I am telling you. So ujina so na sa wo hwe me nwubre ya hwe wo ho yie. Na Ghana hane won. Pull him down for wo ha. Nyasamhwe. Me say waduane de omu ni o. Na say wasem eba. They are just jealous of cause Kweku Menu did what they wish they did. And I make catch it no. Ah, na nyoma bebre si wo kroma. Enyoma be nansi wo kroma. Enyoma bebre si wo kroma. Ah, yenim say they are doing that thing because of hype. And yehwe. Hypocrisy kroma. People are so hypocrite. Kroma, nkofo ye so hypocrite. Wodwunu wa wonti ase wo hu nyansa e wo nkofo trim and wo hu the direction we want to move. Say himfa na ye ko, say himfa na ye ba o. And I make say Kweku Menu is not above anybody. Me, and I may tell say me, I've not met Kweku Menu in person. But say Kweku Menu ya de na say nya, say YouTuber, we can humbly call Kweku Menu and say oh Kweku video ya we de wo bra ya koto de ye ninje ho because ye mpese o mehu ne current state na asam ne kwa court ne ade masa nti hwan pa na nyansa da ne tiri mu odidi a wonum nsu a tesasem wo ka kire no a won puli video ne down na utubi ka say we will report the video because we are making money out of the video. We will report the video. We are making you are making money out of the video. Ebusiafo yo yate akoyi wu ye hwan na de ne ko abroche sande ne bai akoyi okofa dad lumba din to ne ho sui yo aduna ko diske bi say etikoma ohima hofe. You don't know why all this blame. You will never know. Say interview one shebi. Interview one shebi. Who you be ana? Ohima hofe. One interview nebi. And you don't know how omu jojo Kweku Menu Kweku Menu kwano. They say he didn't end the interview well. No, was all the interview nisi. No free show ni so. A whole Kweku Menu industry backbiting. Backstabbing and backstabbing. In this Kweku Menu cry adena so anye ni ye mpo anka show ne so na ye live show no kwa anka asem bi ebusuafo no wo fa Kweku Menu hu bi ye nka no ayo anka omo de omo nka omo asem wi because with the interview no a ebusuafo na claiming say they went for the interview simply to apologize to the court and the Ghana police anameboa omo see omo koye interview no simply because of say they wanted to apologize to Ghana police and plead with the court to say omo fa funny face ehunye den enche no omo fa the born enche no and understood na omo pon interview no a wa catch the interviewer say oh ye ne Kweku Menu aya de bi eni anje hu na say ni senti wo de ye ni number nti mo wa ne number mo friend maye na omonye bibi kama maye nanka wa de omo number nanka mo friend Kweku Menu backstage because what the guy has done in kofa kasefo bebe wo komu a na Vanessa wonim kofa do omo ne Vanessa na kasa wo mfi omo wonim kofa Vanessa na wa friend wonim akobisa wonim kofa do omo friend Vanessa na Vanessa na mfi omo Kweku Menu call ya we fi omo. Hey, Kweku Menu twa video record on YouTube or kwa jiska. Adumani na wa adumani ni witiri mu a. Adumani ni witiri mu a. You don't even think about the move the positive move or the impact move na boy na move no e de bebre we de hye na brabom. You are rather thinking about the income. Ghana need thinking about the income sika na eba na wo dwen ho. Sika na eba na wo dwen ho na mo ke kansem na wa yese na wa yese. We are all here. Say you tie na ekoso. Yes, I hwe na ekoso. But I'm pretty sure say wherever Funny Face is, when he sees such videos, when he sees such comment, he will start wisening up. He will start topping up the kind of a normal Jennifer Nimpahu. Obejun, what's it? Docas Obobi. What is your beef? Docas, have you seen me beefing somebody before? Fish. No, have you seen me beefing somebody before? Me, I don't beef. Me know who send me social media for a beef. Me mean beef. Me, I don't beef. Me can't answer. Me, I don't beef. That is the reason why I listen. No, me crying in your fake account in Pona, but I'm telling the person, say, me, I don't beef. Me tenasi me junior somehow before I speak. I say the lawyer is Mumupa. He should have told Kwekumenu not to video. He allowed him, even spoke in the video. Now he's siding with the family, even though he sent Vanessa money to come. Now lawyer no child no. And lawyer no nkasa yo mini atienye. Lawyer no nkasa. Lawyer no nkasa ye. Until we can't even confirm say it's true. So lawyer name Vanessa Nisika. The family that is claiming. A family no claim say they gave the lawyer gave Vanessa money to come. What you say? Intime pacho muma yen nyina yen tenase. Ne yen reason up. Ne yen nyina yen dwene honhu se wo nyonko da ene wo da. Yen nyina yen dwene honhu se enne na aka wonua o. Tomorrow it can be you. Sikan kwa sometimes no nkofo bi pe. Masa me say eyen ne nimpa yina beka bia na o se wodi akire. The lawyer was was one another interview ni anhwebi. Lawyer be no we interview be no confirm oye. And him for no confirm the man because interview no be ahwebi. The lawyer no kura no confirm so this scam no say nya boni. Kwekumenu kura no onko kan we be bia sa on na discuss sa o mo bai. Family ni na say o mo claim say Kwekumenu je shine. O mo so o je shine. Kweku omiti Kwekumenu eji shine. Eno na mimi bisa say me powache wo na even when driving from Kumasi to Accra how many minutes or hours? Have you also thought of sika a womb for fuel and so even if the we no say on family Accra how many days and the Kwekumenu odi yet to convince them. So to me two omu nyina ase because na girl ni buofu ma me nso buofu wetumi asese ma me ne girl ni nkola ni na atena ka mu de omu abakrom a mo me nya abotire ehun nya masa ehun nya nsem wo ehun nya. We don't even have to go there. We don't even have to go there at all because ehun nya. The most important thing is say yen nyina yen tena se ye careful in life. Because one sheni here, those we will feel say they will be there for us when in need, you know. Sanko for no, one sheni here, they will disappoint us because you see, baby, need a swing in a one and more than a free buy. Me assure says I will show me in your brain. You least thought to say Kwekumenu
can go to that level of convincing the whole family. Funny face, dear Ben one posty. Only police you cry now, handcuff goonies, a crano, no cry posting idea. No cry posting. We shouldn't do that. Mumayina, young wising up. What I say, Mumayina, young wising up, Ninian reason up. So moving from one station to another na ya bonia. Sanko ko angel first your way and despite for mama mfreno because hu hia. But the next day no despite media OKFM na mo so mo ganti interview but the same media house nimpa or what you say hey the way moving from one station to another no it's not necessary. When we are senate Who send we assist what do you know the kind of risk involved driving from Kumasi to Accra? Don't think about Sika, men drink Sika. What you say?
So you don't know what to do.
Inti nyoma bi o ha, mama yentana se, na nyina yentu yabo, na yehu se, we are not living life for today. We are rather living life for tomorrow.
Funny face for interview when he comes.
Oh, funny face and some me for an interview. Come on, funny face and win. And what that beef giddy, and then see. Show so now more fighting, no more woeful, no more far now more be conto kwanesa and ninny no more the trendy, almost do almost shine. And I'm a Ghana for, and in fear say, hey, I dare in your papa. Say, in fear, I'll say, I dare in your papa. Me say, if you want to discredit the work Kweku Menu has done so far, for Funny Face and the reunion of ni baby mama no Vanessa.
I don't disrespect him.
So what they want to me in Kahoshia. Don't ever think of disrespecting him. What they want to me in Kahoshia, want to me and credit no, want to me Manabas, want to me Yanushia. Don't even dare disrespect him because I dare na why no sika kwen to me nto ade why no because me tie so obi onye me busu nipa o ka so me risk my life asema bant me tumi ame car asese nipa na gum ni ntimi de na kwhwi fom wo nkokọ kwan so na me kun no anka mo so eno so meka de me de na kwaji schedule ana so wo ben no de no kwhwi as wo nkokọ kwan no so na okokun no a anka no de anka mo meka de anka de na kwaji because Ghana had asem